Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-3. Stock number is A7885. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera, and the CX-3 is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the CX-3 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.